Alrighty. Welcome everyone to another stream. Hope everyone's having a happy Easter. Hope y'all had a good day today. And yeah, we're back with some more streaming, y'all. Some more forecasting for tomorrow and Tuesday. Alright, let's see. Hello Mary, hello Crab, hello Strix Edits, hello Catman, hello Caden. And yeah. I'm joined by TRG.
Hi.
Welcome.
That's severe, but considerable.
All right. Let's see. There you go, considerable.
Might go considerable for wind too. I mean, it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, it is pretty interesting. We were looking
But
at it. We were looking at it
it's
before.
gonna be elevated. It will be elevated, so it's not tornadic, Caden. Yet.
The moths have been going up with moisture and Cape. Yeah. All right. So yeah, like I said, hope everyone's having a good day today. And yeah, we're gonna go to the SPC website real quick. Show you what we have for tomorrow. We got a big enhanced risk. 5% chance for tornadoes. A big 5%.
Did you see what was there this morning for the day too?
10 sig.
Yeah, I just want to tell you that they removed that.
Yeah, there was a 10 sig this morning, but they removed it. And there's a 30 wind and 30 significant for hail, for severe hail, I could have said. But yeah, and day 3, another enhanced risk, and I think TRG, if I'm not mistaken, is Parliament in that enhanced risk?
Yeah, he is.
I do remember that. And then 30% chance for So for day 3, what the probability thing is that like a 30% chance of seeing severe weather?
Yeah, general
Okay.
severe weather.
Okay.
So like wind or hail. I don't think the 30% is going to be for tornadoes because that would be wild. So I'm pretty sure it's for just wind and hail.
So today, y'all, we have a slight risk, 2% tornado, 5% wind, and 15% for hail. Why did they remove the 10 sig? I'm gonna be honest, I was not. I just got on my computer today, like just now. I don't know why.
I'm gonna tell Lucky this because he's gonna literally hate this model run. So I said the wrap was inaccurate on one of mine, and it shows a long track supercell from my house to your house in a very favorable environment. Tuesday afternoon at like literally from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. That thing is tornadic from northwest side of my county to freaking coastline of NC.
That's crazy.
So I wonder why I don't like the rap model.
Yeah, I wonder why. Hello, Brody. Hello, how do you say your name? Ponderosa? I'm gonna call you, yeah, Ponderosa, or just Rosa. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into it. So.
Oh, I was wanting to answer Mary's question for you. Mary, they removed the 10 sig because models were uncertain exactly where the enhanced area of lower level jet would set up, so they removed it, but more of because of predictability issues. All right, you can go ahead.
All right. So yeah, let's take a look at ARRR 18Z because
okay, Ken was right. They just went toward possible on that.
Well, so the radar, so we can't really see much. Yeah.
I mean interesting.
That is interesting. So.
I mean, that thing has like no velocities on it, but that's just me. I mean, it's on top of the radar, so I feel like if it was rotating, we kind of would see it.
What up?
But,
what up, Z-Link? How you doing today? Eastern Tennessee Thread. You said been months. Yeah, it actually has been months. Eastern Tennessee. No, not really. I mean, general thunderstorm risk.
Come on, Lucky, look at the big day.
What do you mean?
That's not the right day, brother.
Dude,
There you go.
dude, no. See, dude, no. I hate this because I forget this is a multi-day, or well, somewhat multi-day thing. So I always
Well,
be
I mean,
like,
it started yesterday and it's ongoing today and
but yes,
tomorrow and
Eastern Tennessee,
very much multi-day.
Eastern Tennessee, you gotta be weather aware. You got slight risk for severe weather, so definitely be weather aware. Um, yeah, my bad on that. Man, I did this yesterday too. I was like doing zip codes. I was like, yeah, you're not gonna get much. Lucky, you're on the wrong day. Huh? Oh, yep, you're in severe weather. I did that twice. Yeah, pretty big enhanced risk. Now up to that is about 50 million people in day two risk, and about it's a lot of numbers. That is 60 72 million about on day three. So overall, really big risk, including a lot of people. So if you're in that risk or in any of these risks, please be weather aware for Monday and Tuesday. And yeah, now let's go to the ARRR. So looks like storms start to fire, near the Texas area in Oklahoma around 6 or 7, and they really have like a somewhat short window for, like its peak is probably gonna be around 8. Like what do you think, TRD? 7 to 9 is the peak time. All right, great talk. Um, yeah, so about like 7 to 9. That's what I'm thinking is probably gonna be the peak time. But storms do go on overnight. They do dissipate over the night. Yeah, they probably stay severe until around 2 a.m. So yeah, and then I don't know if we can see if we can't see day three yet. We love you, Lucky. Nah, I love y'all. Uh, the NAM model wants a tornado outbreak in Ohio on Tuesday, but it's the NAM model, so I don't have confidence in it happening. I see the GFS has uptrended for me. Huh? You're still using the GFS for what? Tuesday's threat? I mean, yeah. I mean, it probably did. I haven't looked at the GFS in a minute. So yeah, I mean, let's take a look at like instability. So definitely a good amount of instability though. Up to over here at 3,000 Cape in an uncapped environment, and parts of Oklahoma are in a 2,000 to like 2,500 Cape environment. Yo, what up, Andrew? What up? What up? Yeah, so we got plenty of instability for Oklahoma and Texas. And let's open this too. Wait a second, y'all. If it would open, that would be great. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. And that was crazy. So yeah, definitely a favorable environment for Missouri also. No, northern Missouri, more western Missouri is where the all that Cape is at. So yeah, let's take a look at what shall we look at? Supercell composite. Definitely really widespread. definitely pretty big numbers up to values of I think yeah like 15 max. Yeah, so definitely gotta watch out. If storms fire in those areas, then definitely they could be pretty severe, and they might pack a all hazards threat. So definitely be weather aware on Monday tomorrow. Yeah, do STP. We're gonna see that STP right here for southeastern Oklahoma. Let me open my Epic pen. I forgot to open that. All right. Yeah, it's gonna be out. Pez the A tripler will be fully rendered at like 10, like actually 10, almost 10 on the dot. So yeah, that area. If storms fire in that area, that will be pretty crazy. Let's do 0 to 1. Definitely a lot of SRH there too. Yeah, dude, that is gonna be crazy. Let's see. Um, what happened here? All right. So yeah, definitely in that area. If someone's firing those areas, that will be a pretty. Those could be some pretty intense storms. I mean, like I said, all hazards threat. Actually, let me circle that area again. Let's do this. Go back to here. Circle this area again. All right. Now let's take a look at object helicity. Um, yeah, definitely later on there could be some monster hailers. A lot of lightning activity with it too. So that's gonna be something to watch too. And let's do echo tops. So those storms could be up to 45,000 feet into the atmosphere. So pretty tall storms. Uh, yeah, I don't know what that J dude is doing. I've never answered this question because I don't understand it. But yeah, I mean, let's go more. Let's see, go right here. All right, if it storms fire up here around yeah like 6 or 7, we'll see what this environment is showing too. Definitely a lot of instability, so that's for sure. Instability is definitely there, and we got plenty of it. Now, what I do need to check right here is let's do. Is there a man? Where's the? I can't find the lower level jet, so it's not here. All right,
Hey,
let's
Lucky. Update available. Click here to download.
really. Oh snap! Dude, I always forget to close that too. It gets on my nerves too.
I have to have a clean screen. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Like even the sub counter at the top left, I couldn't have that.
All right. Um, STP in that area definitely pretty intense. Again, yeah, you definitely got a lot of SCP. Download no virus guaranteed. That's crazy. Download no virus guaranteed. I would hope. I would hope I don't get a. I would hope I don't get a virus. Everyone, Jackson, Michigan get. Well, Jackson, Michigan get hit with the storm. Uh, let's do Jackson. Not. You are under general thunderstorm risk for day 3, so maybe you probably won't get much. Maybe might get some rain. Maybe like a very isolated storm. Nothing too severe at all. So definitely not severe though. So you don't gotta worry about severe weather. All right, let's pull up day 2. All right, yeah, definitely some pretty intense storms. Fire around 6 or 7, and man, that's right near Missouri. Definitely in Missouri. Definitely be weather aware tomorrow night, as we do have pretty intense storms firing in the evening hours, with a very favorable environment for all hazards. Really, maybe not the biggest tornado threat, but definitely still, it's definitely there. That tornado threat is definitely going to be there. Lucky, do you think Northeast Ohio will get upgraded to a high risk on Tuesday? So Northeast Ohio. Um, I'm not sure, Mary. I'm not sure. Obviously, there might be a chance, but we'll take a look at that in a few minutes. All right. Yeah, I mean, storms do go throughout the night around like 2, 3, maybe a.m. There's no chance for a high risk. No, I didn't say it was gonna be a high risk. They said do you think it's gonna Mary said do you think it will be upgraded to a higher, which I think right now they're in a marginal. I know there's not gonna be a I know there's not gonna be a high risk. Come on, Andrew. Thinking that I'm saying that there's gonna be a high risk from going from marginal to high risk. I said maybe that it could go from a marginal to a slight. That's what I'm talking about. If I need to clear that up. From marginal to slight.
Like
TRG.
looking DMs real quick. What'd you need?
I said there's many things I just said there was gonna be a high risk from a marginal risk.
Dang, Lucky, why'd you say that?
I did not say that. But
Where's Mary at? Like,
she
I
said
think
Northeast
she's
Ohio.
in, yeah, Worcester, I think.
Maybe somewhere near there.
Yeah, pretty sure.
I'm just, saying Northeast Ohio.
Marginal. I don't know. It depends on if
It really
the
depends.
warm sector goes that far north.
Yeah.
That's what's going to depend on the warm sector, which is what models are struggling with the most. Some say like not but as high as Nashville, and then Nam says like all the way up in freaking Cleveland. So there's a big model
If
gap.
it went to Cleveland, then maybe it might get upgraded. But still, like, you think I will get in a tornado watch on Tuesday? Uh, I'm not sure, Pez. I mean,
That's a safe bet.
yeah,
I don't think so, really. I mean, you're
I
at a
don't think
slight
so.
risk. I'd be surprised.
Yeah, I'd be shocked.
It depends on how storms are. Like that's the area where there's the most uncertainty because we don't know if storms will be dying by then or maintaining.
Yeah. Now we'll be able to find that out what tonight or no?
Nah,
No,
we
tomorrow
won't be able
morning.
to find that out until like storms are nearly in his area.
Well, no, I'm talking about like what models are gonna say.
Oh,
Like,
I don't know. Honestly, there's so many inconsistencies. I can't even tell you. I would hope that models sort out by 00Z tonight, but I mean, there's a lot of inconsistencies on both of these risks.
yeah,
What's your thoughts on day 4?
day 4. What's happened day 4?
Day 4. The continuation of the risk possibly into our area.
Marginal.
For real. Very coastal, I would say.
If
And I'm sure
anything,
Lucky would say the same thing
yeah,
too.
very coastal. So marginal for probably the more coastal areas, the more eastern sides of the states, maybe.
I don't know. Nam has like a what in the world? Don't look at the Nam, Lucky.
Since you said don't look at the name, I'm gonna look at it.
don't look at the 18Z Nam, please.
For what, our area?
For pretty much the whole state of NC.
Right, yo.
What in the world? Oh my word! No.
When? Wait.
Like Wednesday morning, like 15Z ish.
Oh, I'm using oh.
The Nam, I didn't say the name 3K.
So that's it. You know what? We're gonna pull a sounding. I want to see what they're saying for. Oh my goodness. Or pull a sounding for somewhere near my area.
The weird thing is the Nam has actually been oddly consistent for day 3, so I'm actually starting to get concerned about that. Because like it's been very consistent.
It really has, though. I've been trying to not talk about it, but it's been very, very consistent.
Like it's barely changed in the last 3 runs.
I can tell you this: if the name is right, we will not have no tornado threat. I don't think. Except for
Wait, what?
surface of 3 kilometer, 58 knots. Never mind. That photograph is not it.
I can't really see exactly what's going on with this sounding, but I imagine there's either a capping or those lapse rates suck. Bro, it's freaking negative shear. What are you talking about?
Not from 0 to 3 kilometer.
Look, it's negative 40.
What are you talking?
See it? The SRH.
I'm talking about surface of 3 kilometer, the one below that.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, like,
Honestly,
that's
that's the low level shear. That's the one you would want a lot for tornadoes. So yeah, no.
literally like freaking going the opposite way.
Go the opposite way.
That is yeah. That's contaminated. It's got to be.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
You probably pulled it like on top of storms.
Let's see if I did. Put it right in the Think Raleigh area. No. Well, yes, I did. Well, after storms. So.
After storms.
So I'm gonna pull it right.
How'd you even? Is there any cape on that sounding?
700.
What?
How
is there instability after storms?
Yeah, so that's how you know it's nothing. So
not on my end. I don't. What?
This is before. This is before storms pass. It says a tornado sounding.
Before. So you said after storms, right?
Yeah, I pulled 700 cape after the storms.
Where?
At 18Z.
Where?
In the Raleigh area.
Storms are ongoing in Raleigh at 18Z. There's still rain there.
Okay, well, Nam's showing like a line, so that's after the main part of the line passes.
Okay, yeah, I see what you pulled there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, come on now.
I mean,
5.9 kilometer lapse rates.
Yeah,
it's literally
that's like
rain after that. You got to pull it. You got to put it in the warm sector there, Lucky. Not on top of rain showers there, man.
Yeah.
But then again, it is the NAM. So
it is a NAM, so.
Anywhere you're going to pull it is probably going to have instability.
Yeah.
I want to see this one in South Carolina. Yeah, I don't want to see that anymore.
Tornado outbreak.
Yeah, it's just the NAM. It really is. But You do have to take it like it's been consistent for 3 model runs, so I would say an average between like the HRRR and the NAM 3K is your most likely solution. I don't think we're gonna have a fully uncapped environment of 2,000 Cape from northern Ohio to central Mississippi Tuesday evening.
Yeah.
But I also don't think we're gonna go to the HRRR and find no instability in Ohio for Tuesday evening.
Yeah.
What in the world?
I mean,
Models are just all over the place, man.
they are all over the place. So I mean, this is what's gonna make it tricky for forecasting. And trust me, it's not making it tricky for us. It's making it tricky for the SPC too. So yeah, I mean that. I guess they're supposed to,
Whoa.
be trained for this type of stuff. Other models are going crazy. One saying this, one saying that. What do? We do
You
what we
either average
want.
it or no, you listen to the SPC.
Yeah,
Listen to the SPC and do an average of the model runs.
yeah. Average of model runs. Yeah, that'd be the best idea, obviously. But imagine 2 miles to 20
You
of
do what
outbreak.
you want. Yeah, no, don't do that.
No, I was
You'll
talking.
end up scaring yourself to death if you do that.
No, I was talking about the SPC people do what they want. Say we put what we want. But
I mean,
obviously they're gonna be like averaging it out.
they're gonna put what they see on the models as the average. I mean, that's
Yeah,
really what they go off of is the model averages.
yeah.
Which the rap and the HRRR are kind of this in the same boat, really. Yeah, the rap agrees. Whoa. Okay. The wrap has like a right out in front of the low pressure. If storms form on that, they could just ride the warm front for hours and be able to produce tornadoes.
Hmm.
All the way from see, that's what I don't see. Like what?
What?
Like how are we supposed to get storms with the surface low over St. Louis tomorrow night? But then the wrap has like storms going over St. Louis Tuesday evening as well. Like
Yeah.
I just oh. Oh, is that a secondary low? Is the hold on, is the Weather Prediction Center forecasting a double low?
I'm not sure.
Oh, they are.
I haven't looked at it in a
Oh my
minute.
goodness, they're forecasting they're forecasting 5 low pressures.
5?
5 of them.
Man,
We want 5 of them.
that is
Man, what?
that's
You got
kind of
one in the
crazy.
DFW, one in St. Louis, one in Indianapolis, one in Parkersburg-ish, West Virginia, and then another one for the fishies in the Atlantic.
Huh. That's crazy.
That's that interesting.
Very.
Yeah. Huh?
Huh?
That's me for this threat, huh?
Yeah, really. I mean, man,
Tuesday just it's all gonna depend on how tomorrow plays out. That's
that's really
really
what it's gonna
what
be
it's
like.
gonna
Yeah.
yeah. It's gonna depend on what storms do tomorrow for how Tuesday may end up being.
Yeah. Now,
That storm's looking more and more impressive. Yeah, that's definitely surface based now, going towards Decatur, Illinois.
yeah, I looked at it. Uh, let's
That's
go.
gotten really impressive.
Let's do this. That's like smack dab in the middle of this light. So
Wow, it's almost like the SPC know what they're doing.
they do. Let's go right here.
Oh shoot, they just put an MCD out. It literally hasn't even rendered in on my page yet. I just see the red blob out, unless that's the old one. Did we have an MCD over Illinois before?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well it just disappeared, so oh hold on, let me pull up IMBot. Let's see.
It isn't more for 20 possible anymore. I don't think it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, no, it's not. But that is definitely a pretty intense storm. I mean, wow. That is a That's crazy. What do you think about that? I'm thinking. I don't know. Obviously, if velocities ramp up, this would be
Yeah, this could go tornadic, to be
it
honest.
really could. Caden, if you're still here, you might you
I
might be
mean,
right. So
okay. I'm assuming it's riding the warm sector. I'm gonna go check mesoanalysis.
all right. How do you know it's surface based versus elevated? Um, I for me for some way to tell that it's more surface based. TRG, like you could tell a storm's
Oh
elevated.
no.
You could tell when a storm is elevated, right? Is like it has just mainly like hail cores and like velocities are just like all over the place. That's usually what I see with elevated storms. They're just like all over the place. And then surface base, you'll have more definitely a lot more precipitation and definitely low level like velocities, I guess you could say.
So the key difference is velocity, like Lucky was saying. Typically, you're gonna see like a bunch of pixels all messy. And sometimes that indicates an elevated storm, and you'll see like more organized areas of rotation for surface-based storms and overall clearer looking velocities. But to be honest, that's really a difficult thing to tell from radar because it's not like, oh, it's elevated if it has hail and surface based if it doesn't. It's not like that. So really, you have to try your best to base it off of velocities. Um, but typically, I try to base it off of the ingredients in place. So, for instance, we have 70-degree temps and 55 dew points west of this storm, so things should be relatively elevated. And then in front of this storm, we have a bit of a closer degree temperature dew point spread of 67 to 55. So the larger your dew point temperature spread is, the better chance you have for storms to be elevated. So I determine it off of that, and as well as the velocities of the storm.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
typically, I try not to say, oh, this storm's definitely elevated or it's definitely surface based, because it's too difficult to tell.
Yeah. It really is difficult to tell. Unless you're probably
Now,
like,
I can tell you this, yeah, if you're in real life,
yes,
it's
I
gonna
was just
be
about to say oh
way
wait.
easier.
Oh, I missed it. Whoever subscribed, thank you. I really appreciate it. And I hope you are here for future streams. Wait, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Where's that? All right. So, yeah, I mean this one is it's definitely gotten it has a decent amount of lightning in it too. Not too much. At least that's what it looks like. It's not too much. But yeah. And those velocities just, start ramping up. That would be we would probably focus more on this storm, but yeah, is that the only severe right now? Yeah, that is the only severe. All right, let's go back to models. Yo, y'all, chat. What is y'all, Carson? That's crazy. All right, yeah. So definitely, obviously, when it goes overnight, looks more like crab vection, but maybe some possible severes overnight. Definitely not gonna be as strong as it was earlier on that night, but yeah, definitely Shadow. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And I hope you are here for future streams.
Pez, no mentioning channel names.
That's funny. That's funny. I'm sorry. I mean, most unstable cape and shear. The most unstable is about 3,000. So you just subbed. Appreciate it, Mr. Tanks. I hope you are. Hope you like I said, come back to a future stream and I did not get jump scared that time. All right. Definitely share the stream with your friends and family if you're if they are in the risk for severe weather. Definitely yeah, definitely share it. You watch TRG? Hey, that's good. You're watching the man, the myth, the legend, TRG. Oh, and thank you to whoever else subscribed. I wonder if I'm gonna get jump scared. We'll see.
No, Carson, you didn't understand the assignment. No, we only do that to Pez.
Hey, Carson,
You ruined it.
Carson, calm down, man. Echo tops though with these storms are like 45,000 feet. That's pretty crazy.
Lucky?
Yep.
I really, really, really hate to point you out on this, but are you using echo tops on a model run? Please tell me that I'm like hallucinating.
You're hallucinating, bro. I'm on Cape.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, dude. Look,
yeah.
see 3,000. Yeah, yeah.
Lucky, don't use
I was
echo
talking about
tops,
45,000 people in the risk. Yeah,
Yeah,
in that one
bro.
area.
Did you see how many people are in the risk
Yeah,
now?
I think it's 70 million for day 2 and
Mm,
72 million for day 3.
yeah, it's like 144 million people
Oh, by the
now.
way, TRG, Pez trolled me so much yesterday saying, look at EMC. You know what EMC means?
What?
It's not even a thing.
Oh, you know what? I probably heard it being familiar because of CMC.
Yeah. Dude, this dude trolled me, bro. It's so bad. Yeah.
No, it is a thing.
Wh-
It's the Environmental Modeling Center. So it's where the models are.
Pez, I know you did not know that because you said yesterday was about warm air
Yeah, it
rising and cold air
is.
sinking.
It's part of the National Center's environmental prediction, the NCEP. So it's a branch for them, which is
See,
the
even Pez
EMC.
didn't know it was a real thing. He just pulled it out of his behind.
Yeah, it's a big building for model data. Jeez.
We should go visit there. See who controls the NAM model.
No, no. That's wild. Whoa, special MCD on this storm.
Special?
Uh, yeah, I told you it was right in the warm front. It's crazy. See who controls the NAM model. If you don't laugh at that one, you don't have a sense of humor. I'm sorry. But the MCD is for a severe hail threat
Oh, okay.
with a lone supercell. that was
Now
good.
now it looks like
Lucky.
it's about to become more elevated again. See, look, TRG, look at the storm. Now you just have like a looks like a hail spike on radar. Just all that hail.
Yeah, that is all hail because you can see it from CC. That is a bunch of hail
73 dBz. So is what I'm getting right now.
and probably extremely heavy rainfall, but mostly hail to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah,
Oh
dude.
look, this is
What?
from my local National Weather Service. SPC has put us under a marginal risk for severe weather. No fooling here. The greatest threat will be hail and wind.
They said no.
Yay!
They said no fooling.
Yeah, because it's April Fool's tomorrow,
The
and I'm
SPC
under
said
the
that.
marginal. Yeah, my National Weather Service did. And
Dude,
I'm pretty
no.
sure the Weather Prediction Center said that too for the winter storm. They said like no April Fools here or something like that. I could go check. They said no, this is not an April Fool's joke. Confidence is increasing in a significant winter storm.
That's crazy. Yeah, dude. Speaking of April Fools, I'm so glad I don't got school tomorrow because my parents would have woke me up and said, "Look, you got school." I've been like, man, nope, April Fools.
My parents did an April Fool's where they said the Wi-Fi would be out for like a week, and they didn't get a good reaction out of us. We were like, okay,
Okay.
when will it be back up?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It's like they were
When will
expecting
it be
us to
back?
like half die or something, I guess. But we were like, okay,
uh,
when will it be back up?
yeah, y'all. I was kidding. I did not expect that reaction from y'all. Nah, that's crazy. Yeah, if
It's
you're
time
in
out.
this severe warning, then definitely be indoors because you got some pretty big. Wow, that's a lot of deleted messages. I don't know what happened there. So that's all you, bro. All right. Yeah. So yeah, definitely if you're in this storm, definitely be inside because all that hail would if you go outside, that hail would hurt. Let me just say that. I think I've gotten hit by
It's
hail once.
considerable, which means it's best to just be in your safe spot.
Yeah.
Oh, for a second I read that backwards. I was like, holy crap, did Pez just time out Carson? Like, holy crap, he pulled a Uno reverse card.
That would have been
Dude.
crazy. Yeah.
Man, have you seen the CC on that storm?
CC on the storm. I haven't bothered to check, but I will
Yeah,
check.
it's just like a big sporadic hail spike everywhere.
Guys, this is not a tornado. This is hail.
CC detects bigger objects. So, if it's hail, it's gonna pick it up. But if it's tornado debris, it will pick it up in different signatures. You can see how this is very sporadic. So it's hail, and it matches up perfectly with the reflectivity. So you can also tell once it leaves like that hail core area near Forsyth, it turns into actually hail spike, which is kind of like corruption. It's basically when the radar scans through the storm and it detects hail and it can duplicate it. So it looks like
Yeah.
it's like a big line of hail, but it's just kind of contamination. It's called a hail spike.
Carson, bro. That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Um. Yeah. So definitely. The storm is. I would say the tornado threat with this that small tornado threat is definitely not diminishing.
If it even had a small tornado threat, which it barely did,
Yeah, that's what I say. If it had one.
it did have a tornado possible, so it
So
did have one at
yeah.
one point.
So yeah. When are you leaving?
Um, Next year.
All right. Yo. Hey. Non-stop stream for the next year. No, I could never do that. That would be no.
I mean, let's see. So, in order for it to really start rendering in for tomorrow's threat, it's gonna have to get to like, geez, like 18 frames in. So I'm probably not gonna go live until it's like 10 frames in on the 00Z. About then.
All right.
So I have it scheduled for 9:15.
Yeah. And honestly, I might just stay till also tomorrow star renders in.
Just like the 00Z. So
Yeah.
for 2 hours, 2 hour stream.
Yeah. I mean, if I do a 2 hour stream, then boat days will be rendered in, or at least some of day 3 will be rendered in. Depends when storms fire.
Late.
Lucky there's an EF5 outside my house right now. Should I be eating Pringles and drinking sweet tea right now? Uh,
Don't respond. Most random question ever. Move on, ignore. We're talking about the weather here.
yeah.
Not Pringles.
Look, Treasure, look at that storm now. You could just tell it's getting more elevated with every scan.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you what a GR2 has here. Look at that.
Uh.
Yeah, that's why we don't listen to this program. Gotta
Hey.
take your radars with a grain of salt, y'all, because it doesn't always tell the truth. Is that what? I didn't even see that, Lucky. What? What is?
I mean, if we're talking about winds,
does radar pre-rate now? What?
I mean, yeah. I mean, if we're talking about wind, like damage, like wind speed, and yeah, I mean that's probably equivalent to that. Yeah.
Radar's over here pre-rating tornadoes. We need to fire it.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, the storm is it's in its own area, own environment. No other severe. Did what just happened? Okay, I thought the radar just went down for some reason. All right, back to that's astounding. Back to the models. Say back to it. Yeah, a lot of cape. 3,000 cape with says like up to 10 of sin, so that's really nothing, especially with that much cape. TRG, what would you consider like 50 in an uncapped environment? Depends how much cape is there.
50 cent
Yeah, 50 sin.
if there's like a lot of cap in place or a lot of cape.
So if there is 3,000 and you have minus 30 sin, capped or uncapped?
Marginally capped. So that's probably going to help. If a storm's already in that area, we'll probably continue to either maintain or strengthen. And negative 30 cent isn't really going to keep a storm from
Yeah.
firing. But in some instances, it definitely could. We've seen like a small negative 5 cent capping keep storms from firing. So it depends on what the storm's doing and how it's reacting to the other ingredients and environment.
Yeah, you
But
said what you say what model site am I using? I'm using the College of DuPage. That's
aw, baby slight risk.
what they just
Yeah, they updated it. It's like the tiniest slight risk
oh,
now.
it's for that one storm again.
It is.
Did they take away the tornado threat?
Uh, I don't know. What do you think? I'm gonna say yes.
I'm gonna say
Ooh, I don't know. I think they might have actually
I
kept it
I I,
2%
I
because
think
there's storms later on tonight too.
yeah. So I'm gonna say no. No that they did not take it away. So
I'm gonna say
yes, they
there's a
kept it.
small 2% somewhere, maybe in the slight risk, maybe west.
Yeah, we'll
Mine
see.
still hasn't updated. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness, the tiniest little 2%.
Really?
It's
But
literally for this storm.
so according to SPC, there is a tornado threat. I'm guessing. I'm guessing they're telling us, hey, there's a small tornado threat for
So
this.
this one storm has the all hazards threat, and then later on tonight is just going to be the 5% chance for hail. So this one storm is your main threat for tonight.
Yeah.
It's just the tiniest slight risk.
All right. Dude, I just saw something funny. That's crazy. All right. Back to models. I mean, we were still talking about weather, you know. All right. Go to Supercell composite. If someone's fire in this region, I definitely think that we could see some pretty intense storms. Uh, Cherry, do you ever use like Supercell composite and stuff for on Radar Omega instead of College of
No.
DuPage, or do you always use College of DuPage?
I always use College 2 page. I don't use Radar Omega for that. Main thing I use Radar Omega for is probably the HRRR composite reflectivity on the model runs and the dew points. Those are like the two
Yeah,
things I show the most frequently on the model runs.
yeah, that makes sense. 'Cause, I mean, College of DuPage is the College of DuPage. What about for Webb City, Missouri? Webb City, Missouri. So obviously day one you're in a general thunderstorm risk, but that's whatever I guess. Uh, Day two you're in like almost smack dab in the middle of that enhanced risk. So definitely be weather aware tomorrow. That's for sure. I know TRD you'll be live, so I may be live, y'all. I may because I do have work, so I can't promise on coverage, but it really all depends what time storms fire and how long they what's it called stay super like strong for. But even if there's something, I might come home like right after work and still do like an hour or two of coverage, because then I have school the next day.
I think that timeout might have been a bit excessive there, Catman.
What did y'all
Hey,
do?
yeah, Catman kind of went ham on the timeout. Like Pez is not happy.
What happened? I can't see it. It doesn't say that
He
y'all.
got timed out for 86,000 seconds.
That is what, a whole day?
Yeah. So
That
he
is
won't be
a
chatting like probably most of tomorrow's stream too.
man. So you can't untime him out.
Nah. Maybe what if I hide him and then unhide him?
Maybe, but that's crazy. Y'all, what do you do this time?
He just said you can't time me out for nothing.
I mean, that is
Oh no,
true.
he said you legit time me out for nothing. That's what he said. I wonder if he can chat now. Probably not.
Paz, if you're here, try to chat.
I don't think I can remove his timeout.
Yeah. Yo. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and turn the post notification bell so you do get notified when I do go live or make a video. And please share this channel with your friends and family so we can get the word out to people, let them know what weather's coming their way. And yeah, does it look bad? Does it look bad for tornadoes? Um, I mean, it doesn't look bad for tornadoes, but I think there's definitely will be a chance. You're in a 5%. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you you gotta be in the 5%. You are under, yeah, the 5%. So definitely be weather aware. I can tell you that. And yeah, 5%. What it was a 10% significant chance earlier. There's Pez. But yeah, just be weather
Oh,
aware.
good. So it worked.
Yeah, be weather aware and have that safe spot ready just in case. Do you think it'll go moderate tomorrow? See, there's been too much like kind of like inconsistency and like yeah, I don't know. Models are making it tricky for us to forecast. So if it did, it probably would go moderate for wind
Hail.
or hail. One of the two.
The wind threat seems to have downtrended a bit due to the more semi-discrete nature. And once storms merge, they don't seem to be able to successfully merge.
Well, that would let me do composite reflectivity. All right. Yeah. Storms stay in the enhanced risk until like no overnight. So
Give me 1 minute, Lucky.
all right. Tornado down in Illinois. Huh? Uh, I don't know where you got that from. I'm gonna be honest, cause I don't see a tornado. There's no tornado warning. There's no reports of it yet, so I don't know. I don't know where you got that. Oh, checking. Yeah, this one looks more elevated. I no, you're fine. You're fine. Cause it does look pretty elevated right now. So that's why I was like, what? Huh? I was so confused. But yeah, so overall, it's gonna be a really widespread threat tomorrow. We all gotta be weather aware if you're in this risk. Or St. Louis has storms at 5 p.m. tomorrow. And another round of storms around like 10, 11. From 8 to 12. We have another round of storms. Said there was a warning till 9, a tornado warning. New HRRR model coming in now. I sure hope so. There you go. Confirm that.
Yep, H triple R.
Oh Lord. Yay. All right, we're gonna take a look at this sector over here for when it does start rendering it for tomorrow's event. Yeah. So yeah, roughly stay live until honestly probably 10. TRG, I know you're staying live till like 11:30.
I don't know. It depends. I'll either be live till I don't know if I can last more than an hour tonight. I'm like exhausted, so I'll see if I can last till 11:15 for 2 hours.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do 2 hours because it's the day before an event.
Yep.
Yeah. When's the new update for the SPC? For what, day 2? That's overnight, isn't it?
1 a.m.
1 a.m. So that would still be day 2 for tomorrow's risk, right? Or would they change
Yeah.
it to day 1?
Day three's risk Tuesday will be updated at 2 a.m. and tomorrow's risk will be updated at 1
a.m.
a.m. Yes,
I'll be up for that.
Eastern, of course. What?
Maybe.
I already stayed up late yesterday. I don't know if I can do it again tonight.
Yeah. I'm gonna go on a photo go right now. Too much dessert. Oh. Hi Carson. I feel bad for you, man. That's not a good that's not a good sign if you already don't feel good. Too much dessert too. Ooh. I was thinking about eating a whole thing of ice cream. I'm glad I didn't. Otherwise I probably would not be here.
All right, I'm gonna
All
head
right.
out.
All right, TRD. Thank you for
All right,
joining.
you're welcome. See ya.
See you. All right, y'all. Let's see. Yeah, definitely thank you all for joining today's stream. I'm not ending now, but I'm just already thanking everyone that's joined it. You know who you are. I really appreciate all of y'all. I think you should. I think. Whoa, buddy, that would be like a 6 hour. That'd be like a 6 hour stream. Um, if anything, dude, the only way I would show y'all the risk, the outlook is me make a short about it. That'd be the only way. Cause I'm not staying live for 5 hours. I'm gonna be honest. I cannot do that. That would I'll probably if y'all really want me to, I can make a short at like 1:30 for it and show y'all what the SBC is saying. But yeah, we'll we'll see what what Pez, what are you talking about? All right, yeah, yeah. So tomorrow, guys, I might be able to cover it because I do have work. I do have to work, so I may not be able to, but I will try my best. I'm gonna try my yeah. Pez, there's no link. I don't think YouTube allows links in chats. But yeah, yo, I might be able to cover tomorrow. Definitely Tuesday if it fires after like 5, I'll be able to cover. Give him a link of what? Oh, to the SPC site. Kevin, do you know how to get to the SPC site? If not, I'll send you a link to it. If not, yeah. If not, I'll definitely send you it like in the chat. Cause that is gonna be pretty good to know about the SPC site. That's a good site Yeah, if y'all want me to, I'll make it like maybe a short. Carson, I hit 200 last night, man. I missed it too. I had to go do something for like 1 minute, and I missed it. But I did say thank you to everybody who subscribed, cause I really did appreciate it. And y'all are gonna be considered the OGs. You want me to make a short? All right, I can do that. Shorts don't take too long. I'll do that for y'all. I haven't made a short in a long time, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So yep, of course, of course. I'll be glad to make one. If we hit 30 likes and 250 subs in the next 2 weeks, lucky what face reveal? Uh, no, I can't do a face reveal. I don't have a camera. I really don't have a camera. The only way y'all get a face reveal is when I meet TRG and if we do a stream. So y'all will definitely get a face reveal that day. It's not like I'm trying to hide it. I mean, obviously maybe a little bit I'm trying to hide it, but obviously I don't have a camera. Maybe if I had a camera I would do a face reveal, but I don't have one right now. So yeah. Anyways, well that's crazy, Carson. Um, let's see. Let's see how rendered we are with the A R. I haven't tried that in a minute. I think we might be almost rendered in for tomorrow. We need about another maybe 10 frames, maybe. No, about 13, 12, 13. All right. Yeah, so we're gonna. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right. Face reveal isn't as important. That is true. But a good amount of people have asked, so it's always been in the back of my mind. All right, day two risk. There's that. Still a really big risk. 70 million people. That is a pretty crazy. I really wish that we could have soundings for ARRR. Yeah, definitely more overnight. It could be like some big clusters of storms. Would y'all be okay if I, like missed some of the event and then like came home after work and streamed it? Like streamed whatever is left. Would y'all be fine with that? Cause if I can't, yeah, yeah. Like I said, y'all. It won't be long though, cause I have school the next day. I didn't even know I had school tomorrow. I thought I had school tomorrow, so I wasn't gonna stream too late tonight, but I'll still stream till like 10 still. So it's definitely gonna be a pretty crazy night waiting for the short. Man, bro, if I get like if I get like like any anything on the short, would y'all like me if I made shorts? Like would y'all like it? Cause if I make shorts, I've always thought about it because they are shorts. I'm trying to think about like what you guys like. Cause if y'all like that, I know y'all like streams obviously. Make shorts that suits you. Yeah, I'll definitely Well, no, I'll still do streams. No, streams are not gonna stop. But uh, shorts I'll maybe make. I don't know, one every other day or something. You know what, Mary? I'll check the name all for you. We'll see what it says. You said for Ohio. We'll check. We'll check. Just while we wait for the 00Z. I mean, already Nam has some pretty decent storms. Of course, Mary. Of course. Of course. And then what's it called? Do STP. That'd be let's see what the STP values are. I guarantee they're like through the roof. Yeah. Yeah, that says like almost off the charts. 6. Obviously, you can go up all the way to like 20, I think, but that's crazy. Yeah, that's I don't know if that's gonna happen because that is the NAM model. Now, if there's prefrontals, if the NAM was accurate and there's prefrontals in front of those storms, yes, we'd have a pretty decent tornado threat. But yeah, let's go back to that storm is still warned for 1.75 inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds, y'all. Just to give y'all an update on that. Dude, no, because a lot of people's streams get behind for my channel. I don't know why. Y'all make sure that y'all up to speed on the streams, because sometimes it goes behind for some reason. Huh. Let's see. All right. Had to check something real quick, y'all. Also, yeah, thank y'all for 27 likes on the stream. I think we're close to beating yesterday. Yesterday was at I think 34. 34, 35, 1 to 2. So it's already this is I think already the second most liked stream on the channel. So which I want to thank y'all for all the support recently. It really means a lot. And yeah. And like that, I love every single one of y'all. You're watching me on your iPad, TV, and phone. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's funny. That just gave me a little laugh right there, cause that was 3 devices is crazy. But yeah, like I said, for anyone if anyone's new to the channel, we're talking about day 2 and day 3 risks, as we have 2 enhanced risks. No, man, you're not crazy. You ain't crazy. Yeah, so tomorrow, if anyone's new to the stream, we have an enhanced risk, very big enhanced risk, with a 5% chance for tornadoes and 30% wind and 30% chance for some significant hail. You're watching me on 0 devices. That's funny, cause how'd you type? Ooh, yeah. Um, let's do. Gotta do this real quick. All right, this thing's not working. All right. So let me give y'all this stat. So overall, this is not how many people have joined the stream, but this is overall how many people seen the stream. Like, you know, they saw the thumbnail of the stream. It was about 2,700 so far. So yeah, we're getting pushed out there. We're definitely getting pushed out there. That's for sure. Which that means YouTube's doing its thing. Y'all sharing the stream and y'all what's it called? Y'all liking the stream too. Liking, sharing, and subscribing. That means YouTube's pushing us out there. Give me a rundown for my house. All right, for your house, day 3. So you're in a slight risk. Actually, I could check. Says stop lying. You are crazy. Nah, you're not crazy. All right, let's do. Let's turn this off. All right, now let's go to day 3. Let's do day 3 for Pez. Also, if y'all want, I can do zip codes. I'll do zip codes now while we're waiting for the 00Z. Pez, don't put your zip code. I'm already doing it. So Pez, you are in. Yeah, you are in a slight risk for severe weather. And yeah, so definitely expect some severe storms. Uh, yeah, expect some severe weather. Maybe an isolated tornado is possible, but all depends on that warm sector too, on how much like storms we'll get and how strong they will be. Yeah, so that's that for you. Definitely expect some stronger winds and some hail if you get storms. All right, let's do Mary 44,691. Wooster? I'm gonna call it Rooster. Rooster, Ohio. You're in a marginal risk for severe weather. And I know you were asking about maybe an upgrade tomorrow. Uh, I mean, there's a small chance. It all depends on what the model says. But right now, definitely overall expect a you're not gonna get super severe storms, but you may get some severe storms. Maybe some isolated chance for some large hail. Definitely expect some small hail probably, and some slight damaging winds. A tornado threat. It can't really be ruled out, but it's not gonna be your biggest threat. Your biggest threat is probably gonna be the hail risk. So that's gonna be your main risk. Carson, I know where you're at. General thunderstorm. You're in the same risk as me. So expect clear skies, because it's us. It's just me and you. Clear skies, but if I'm being honest, maybe the most isolated storm can be ruled out because Nam and stuff have been agreeing with each other, saying about a good amount of instability for us, but definitely shouldn't be severe though. Max will get a few gusty winds if we do get a storm, but nothing much though. Yeah, Charity did go live. That's where all my viewers went, but that's okay. That is all right, cause y'all definitely I don't even know exceeded my expectations, which thank y'all for that again. The support in the last couple days have been pretty crazy. And we're starting to get somewhere, y'all. We're starting to get pushed out there just a little bit, which I'm glad. Some people with this probably won't even average maybe like 2 or 3 viewers. Man, y'all should have seen TRG, bro. This man started from like the very bottom, and now look where he's at. Almost 5,000 subscribers. So yeah. Now let's see about the HRRR, because I'm pretty sure that could be rendered for tomorrow maybe. Let's see. So storms don't fire early on in the day, so that's 3 p.m. So that's good. So see, tomorrow I don't have school, so if I wake up on time, I may do another short on what may have it today. So maybe one tonight and then one tomorrow. Yeah. So definitely no matter what, if you're in a risk, be weather aware for both days, just in case anything happens, anything gets upgraded or whatever. Definitely y'all can expect coverage on Tuesday if storms fire after like 5. Y'all can definitely see coverage. Tomorrow is like a 50-50, I guess. I can't promise on coverage, but there is a small chance. Like for me to cover the whole event, there's a small chance. But for me to cover some of it, there's a decent chance. But yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, like I said, if I haven't told you already, I hope y'all had a good Easter today. I hope y'all had a good Easter and a good day in general. And yeah, right now we're just waiting for A triple R to render in. You get a PDS tour watch? Nah, I don't think so. You're flopping streams? That's fine. If you want to go over there, you can go over there. That is perfectly fine. I would understand. But obviously, that's up to you. That man is doing great right now. So let's see. Um let's see. All right, you're gonna go to sleep. All right, Mary. Hope you sleep well. And I love you too, man. Thank you for joining today's stream. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. And yeah, see you tomorrow, maybe. If not, check out the short. I will make it tonight if I'm up, obviously, but I plan on being up. We'll see. We're about to see where the storms are gonna fire. It's at 21Z, so it's at like 5 p.m. 64 130 Kansas City. So is that Kansas City? Yeah. So Kansas City around 4 p.m. tomorrow. So, so in general, I think you're in like you're in marginal risk. So let me check for you. Maybe in the morning, if this is right, in the morning you'll probably see some you're an X storm chaser. Pat, I don't know about that, man. I have no idea about that. But yeah, so definitely in the morning you could definitely maybe see some rain showers. Nothing too much. Yeah, that's cool though. Yeah, that is cool that you're an ex storm chaser. It's pretty cool. Yo, we'll see. If I don't know if I'm gonna close right. I'm gonna open it again, see if it uh gets see if it gets the other frames. Let's see. Um. All right. You're an ex storm chaser though. That's pretty crazy. All right. Let's see. Let's take a look at. No, it didn't. All right. Kansas, and then Hi, wondering what Carbondale, Illinois will be looking like tomorrow night? Carbondale, Illinois. I got you. Let me Alright, you are in the enhanced risk, so you definitely gotta be weather aware. Uh I can tell you what you may expect. It might take like 15 minutes though. But if not, if you can't stay that long, I'll maybe be live tomorrow. So if you're not ready, if you want to, you can hit the subscribe button because I may be live tomorrow. But you don't have to. That's up to you. But definitely expect some severe weather, and with the tornado chance as what you're under right now, 5% tornado, 30% for wind and hail, I think. So definitely be a weather aware tomorrow. That's for sure. The storm may drop more hail and giving that the storm could develop all around us. One or two could possibly generate tornado mostly early on as they develop. Yeah. Oh yeah, of course. Of course, and thank you to whoever subscribed. Appreciate you. Alright. Any more zip codes that I can do for y'all while we wait for A triple to render in? And thank you to whoever else just subscribed. That was you, Kimo. Alright. So I'm expecting a jump scare in a second then. If that's true, if you did subscribe, your name will probably pop up on the screen. Possibly. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. We'll see. Alright, y'all, so we do. There it goes. Kimo the Trapper. Kimo that rapper. Alright, so let's see what the. Well, that doesn't help me. Storms fire around 6, 7, 8, 9. Man, in that case, I don't even know if I'll be able to go live. If it just starts at 6, that would be cutting it close. If I can't go live, expect a short at least tomorrow. But I'm not sure though about the. Also, thank y'all for 30 likes. I really appreciate it. Yeah, definitely. Now it's looking more like a wind threat. To me, that's what it's looking like. Let me ask CRD. Um. All right. Yeah, y'all. So we'll wait till after. Actually, I don't know, cause day three's risk it won't be rendered in fully because we might get windstorms fire, but I don't know. So we'll see. We'll have to see. I may end like right at 10 o'clock. So that definitely like 34 more minutes. And you know what? Real quick, let's just check that severe. Is it still severe? Oh wow, it's almost destructive. How much I want to bet this storm's gonna look more elevated than it did earlier? That's elevated in a half. So yeah, early on tornado threat and hail to move it into a wind threat. Yeah, that's basically what it's gonna turn into. Yeah, definitely 2.5-inch hail warning for it. So this is almost destructive. So we'll keep an eye on that. Yeah, so we'll come back to that in a minute. Look like at a triple R again. Should I be worried in 45 334? 45 334. Uh Day 2 you're barely in that marginal. But for day 3, you are under a slight risk of severe weather. So definitely, I mean, I wouldn't say worried, like super worried, but like definitely be weather aware. Definitely be weather aware. Have a safe spot ready to go. Main threat, I feel like we don't know yet, but I feel like main threat could be wind and hail, maybe with isolated 20 chance. But if you want to, I'll definitely be live on Tuesday if Storms fire after 5. So if you want to, you can subscribe and turn the post notification bell on so you can get notified when I do go live on Tuesday for you, because you'll be in that risk, and I'm gonna do coverage on that day. So yeah. Oh, and I'm guessing that was you that subscribed. So thank you if that was you. If it was somebody else, thank you. I really appreciate it, and it means a lot. And I hope to see you in future streams. But yeah, so you're in a slight risk. Definitely expect some severe weather. It's good that you're not in the enhanced, because that's the main. Was you? All right. Well, thank you. I really appreciate it. Means a lot. Let's do got the next couple frames. See, now it's looking more like a wind threat. Oh, of course, anytime. I'm going to be storm tracing tomorrow around Missouri. I'll post on my IG or Twitter or even YouTube. Keep up the work. The grind is how you achieve. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. Means a lot. Yes, bro. I mean, we're gonna. Oh, wait. Is it lagging for y'all? YouTube's telling me that it's lagging. Y'all just let me know, cause I hope I don't crash. I really hope I don't. Um, cause saying the stream status is poor. You sure? Cause that's what it's saying. It's saying says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. So is it buffering at all? Oh my god, you're lying. Pez, stop. Pez. Uh, Pez, bro, that's not funny at all, man. It just lags or delayed. Um, yeah, I'm not sure why it's doing that though, cause it says I'm good on Streamlabs. So we'll maybe too many tabs open or something. We'll close this tab, see if that helps at all. Yeah, we'll close that, see if that helps. All right, pretty good though. Yeah, it looks like crap vection or maybe some severe overnight in that region. Um, Yeah. Let me. I still need to check and see if. No, Pez, I'm not believing you anymore. Nope. But it is saying that it is saying is lagging though. So we'll let me go see what it's saying for me. So let's see. It might be buffering. Um, cause dude, I don't want it to crash. We're doing so good right now. All right. Yeah, definitely the 20th is definitely at the beginning of the when the storm's fire. That's gonna be the greatest chance. So maybe around like 7, 8 p.m. So that would be like your main like tornado threat. Man, I was trying not to oh, thank you to whoever subscribed. I really appreciate it. Okay, see to mid Missouri. Yeah. That's gonna be I think that's where your enhanced risk is too. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. Yeah, okay, see to Missouri. And to parts of near St. Louis too. Yeah, St. Louis is in it. Yeah, that's gonna be a pretty big risk. And I hope it doesn't crash though, cause uh Eli you might have gotten timed out. I don't know. I mean, I would, but uh let me see. What's the zip code? 45. All right. All right, I asked him. I will see. He may do it. He may not. I'm not sure. Yeah, Pez. I haven't read it yet, but I did say it would be. There is a 30 sig hail, so I'm not surprised for it says extremely large hail. So definitely experience at least maybe destructive size hail. So maybe about 2.5 inch hail. And that would be crazy though. Huh. That's interesting. I'm not sure why that is. I'll see if he says yes, but he may be busy, so I'm not sure the chances of him responding are. All right. Most likely these storms will form around or after 4 p.m. So you might have time for a 1 hour live stream tomorrow when you're out of school. That would be great. See, that's the thing. Tomorrow I don't have school, but I have to be at work at like 5. So that would be the. That's why I was like, man, storm's firing that early. Cause I'll be at work. Otherwise, I would be streaming a lot tomorrow. If I didn't have work, I would love to stream. So yeah, that's the thing. It's gonna be hard for me to stream too because I have school during the summer. It won't be as hard for me to stream though. At least I don't think. But yeah, um, dude, it's still saying that the stream quality is poor. Uh, yeah. So is it really that bad, the stream quality? Like, if it's bad, then that's yeah. Yep, 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 yep. Oh, now it says, all right, we're good, y'all. It took 8 minutes for it to be excellent quality. We're back. Here we go. 20. We got like 22 minutes left. All right. Let's see what it says for tomorrow, or not tomorrow. Day 3. See if it says anything so far. Whoa. If those are actual like decent storms. That's in the morning though. Not really much uh like SRH and stuff there, so I don't know, but those are some morning storms maybe. Possibility. We'll see what happens that next hour. Maybe you can see some possible early morning storms. And if that's the case, I definitely can't stream because I'll be in school. So yeah, we'll see. We might be able to see the full HFR run by the time I end, but we might not be able to. So we'll keep an eye on it and see what it says. Go to day 2. 25 miles east of Louisville, Kentucky. Like tomorrow. Tomorrow you're not gonna be in a super big risk. No, actually no, you're in a slight risk. I thought it was more southeast. So you're in a slight risk. So for tomorrow, definitely expect like I said, isolated tornado chance, some decent size hail, and a really big really decent wind threat. So that's gonna be your main threat. And so yeah, you definitely gotta be weather aware. So if you want to, I'll maybe be live tomorrow. So if you want to, you can subscribe to the channel and turn the post notification bell on so you can get notified when I do go live. If I do go live tomorrow. So, which I'm planning on it tomorrow night. If storms fire later. Still live. W. Yeah. We'll be live for about another 20 minutes, so yeah. Well overall W stream today for real. I know we still got like 15 minutes ish left of like good talking. So you're gonna sub? Alright, I appreciate it. Alright. Alright man, I appreciate you for joining. And if that's you, then George, thank you for subscribing if that is you. I really appreciate it. Means a lot, and I hope you enjoy this content. I hope you come here for future live streams. So yeah, gaming stream or not? I don't know. Probably not. I'm gonna be honest. I mean, I'll probably still play some games, but maybe not a stream. We'll see. We will see. Yo, so the amount of people that have seen this thumbnail today is about 4,000. A little above 4,000. So that's I mean, if y'all want me to do a game stream, I could play for like an hour. I mean, that's maybe I'll maybe do an hour and a half if y'all really want me to. If y'all want me to, I will. I'll do a game stream at like 10:15 for an hour. But that's up to y'all. If you're new to the channel, please. All right, I got y'all. I got y'all with the gaming stream. I guess we'll do one. If you're new to the channel, that's the gaming channel. That's like a side channel. It's basically I like to consider it as like a gaming hangout channel where I talk to y'all, hang out, y'all can play games with me. So yeah, that's that channel. But yeah, let's look at ARRR again because it's so close to finishing. Dude, Tuesday looks like the risk is gonna be early in the morning. I don't know if I can so we'll see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Play Murder Mystery 2. All right, I got you. I will do that. Yeah, so like I said, definitely W stream today. We got 15 minutes left. I mean, man, about 4,000 people saw the thumbnail. It said about like 6.8% click through rate. So that's really good. If y'all aren't familiar with my man TRG, he is also live. ERLC? Yeah, probably. I can do that. 30 minutes of ERLC, 30 minutes of murder mystery. Maybe because then I can't be streaming gaming channel while when I have to do a short. That'd be cool though. Like y'all see my live way on how I do a short. That'd be cool, but I'm definitely not doing that because I'd have to be live at 1 a.m. So yeah, that's it. ERLC, clutch, lucky, big W. Oh yeah, you already know, man. I already know. You already know, Lucky's got you, man. But yeah, let's see. Let's do. Let's do this. All right. We're gonna do this. All right. So look, the model is so close to finish rendering in. Dude, if this is true, then I don't know if I'll be able to cover. I don't know if I'll be able to cover on what's it called? What's it called? Tuesday. Tuesday. That's the day. Are you for real streaming? Yeah. Well, start at 10:15. Then and at like 11:15, 11:30 ish. Yeah. And we're so close to finishing the model run. But that's it. Then that risk is gonna be very early in the morning. That's if it is, but I'm not sure. Even at 2 p.m., there's still storms left. So we'll see. If models change to later storm development, that would be kind of clutch for me, just so I can help come and give y'all coverage. But if not, then I'm sorry. I don't know if I guess I could. Nah, there's no chance of me making a short Tuesday morning before school. There's absolutely no chance. But I mean, we'll see. I hope it doesn't fire in the morning because I won't be able to cover, so I won't be able to stream 5v5 that the house or just I'll see. I'll see. But yeah, so we literally need like 5 frames left to complete the run. We need 5 frames before 13 minutes. So yeah. Gonna be gonna be a pretty close one. So we'll see. What up, Jay? How you doing? Hope you had a good Easter, man. Hope you had a good day in general. I'm over here starting to like, lose. I want to say lose my voice, but like, I need to take a sip of water. So give me a second, yo. All right. But yeah. Like I said, I hope everyone had a good day today. I mean, oh, oh, wait, whoa, Storms fire around 21Z. That's like 5 p.m. So Storms fire in Tennessee, which is where our no, that's our enhanced risk is in Kentucky. Wonder where that enhanced risk is gonna be for. Probably wind or hail. It's like a 5% tornado chance. My Easter was good, man. I barbecued with the family, so yeah, it was fun. Let's see. See if the model will give us an extra run. Oh, 2 more runs. I mean, 2 more runs. 2 more frames left. So we'll see. We have 10 minutes left. Trying to see the cape for. Oh my goodness. Definitely in that environment where those storms are. Definitely some decent cape. So when's the sleep stream? Never. Never, 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 never. Definitely a lot of instability, man. I mean, I don't know, man. Tuesday might show out, man. I hope it doesn't start in the morning, cause that would be terrible for me. Cause I would not be able to cover. Family's food is always the best. Oh yeah, that is for sure. Got that Supercell composite, like I said, through the roof. Need 1 more frame. That kid just downtrends out at around 23Z, so around 7 p.m. Cave just disappears. Goes from about 2,500 all the way down to about almost 2,000. So maybe 2,000, maybe a little lower. SCP values. That's where if storms fire in that area where that STP is, which is where storms are right ahead of it, so that'd be 7 p.m. So we'll see. That would be a good environment for tornadoes. Lightning density too. Decent amount of lightning too with these storms too. SRH is definitely there, so the shear is definitely in place. So that's gonna be something to um let me see something. All right, let's see. Yeah, so we are coming to an end here. I think we're about to get the next frame. We should get the next frame in a minute. All right. Let's see. Did we get it? Yes, we did. So that happens. That line of storms maybe could be some possible supercells too. That would be in a very good environment for tornadoes. From what it's looking like, that's what it's looking like. And then this Cape actually, Cape does downtrend just a little bit. 45, 33, 34. 45, 3, 34, 45, 3, 34. Let's see. Go right here. Right here. All right. Yeah, slight risk. You are sure like somewhat northwest Ohio, so we'll see. Let's see. All right, so you're like right there. All right, so you are right there. All right, so you're gonna be. So far, doesn't look too bad, but I definitely don't rule out, do not rule out any severe weather because you are under a slight risk. Name is always right. I do not know where you got that from because I strongly disagree with that. You said name is always right. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I strongly disagree. I'm sorry. It may be right maybe a couple times, but isn't usually never right. That's uh I'm sorry, man. I don't mean to be rude if it sounds rude, but I disagree with that. Okay. I would hope you are, cause bro, I was about to say who told you that? Yeah, so overall Monday and Tuesday looking really good. That's the thing. Cloud cover though. Cloud cover might be pretty crazy. That's basically gonna be your cold front too, I'm pretty sure. This is gonna be where your cold front is, I'm pretty sure. Along this line. So yeah. That was mainly where your cold front is gonna be. I'm pretty sure. If I'm not mistaken, that's where the cold front will be. But we'll see. Oh yeah, he probably would. Yeah, he probably would, if I'm being honest. Yep. Yeah, let's see. We are coming towards an end, so I'm gonna do this because this man always helps me out, so I'm gonna always help him out. This is a TRG stream. This is TRG stream. He's live right now, talking about tomorrow and Tuesday also. Since we're coming to an end, I don't mind it. If y'all leave, go watch him. He's definitely really good YouTuber, really good person at forecasting for weather. So I think I'll like him. So yeah, we are coming towards an end right here. Got 4 minutes left. I say yeah, if y'all are new, definitely hit the subscribe button if you do enjoy this content and turn the post notification bell on so you can get notified when I go live or when I make a video. And yeah, man, I would say, you know, I would say thanks to everybody, but there's a lot of people that joined today, so I don't know if I could say like let's see. Yeah, I can't even scroll up to the beginning of chat, so how much there is. Yeah. So I said I really do enjoy every single. I do. Yeah, I enjoy streaming to y'all. I love every single one of y'all for joining in today's stream. Y'all absolutely killed it, and yeah, look at if y'all are up at this time. Look forward to the short. I might. I don't know. I might do a gaming stream on my end, just because I feel like gaming right now. I don't feel like trying to get more weather really, but yeah, there's TRG stream in the chat for y'all. Yeah, thank y'all for the support the last couple of days, and we'll be back. Hope maybe tomorrow. If not, check out the short. I'ma post it tonight, like 1:15. So yeah, thank you to everyone who joined. Thank you to all the new subscribers today, man. I really appreciate it. Y'all are gonna be considered the OGs because I'm just starting to grow the channel like a lot. I'm just starting to grind now. I've been on and off the past year with with streaming, but now I'm here for good. So yeah. If y'all want to go watch TRG stream, his stream is right here. That's his stream, and yeah, I do gotta say thank you to all the mods though that joined and helped out. Thank you to everyone that joined and chatted with. It means a lot. And if you didn't chat and you still joined, appreciate you. Means a lot. Y'all are helping me, which I'm trying to help y'all too. Helping me get the word out to people. So yeah, y'all are letting YouTube do its thing. By y'all watching, y'all are helping YouTube do its thing. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your night. If y'all are tuning into the gaming stream, but if y'all are, is it's scroll up in the chat, and I think you'll see the channel name. Yeah, I said, hope you guys have a good Easter today, and hope you enjoyed today's stream. 10:15. Yeah, so yeah, y'all stay weather aware. Go see my man TRG. If y'all want to, I'll post a short. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful night if you're not going to the gaming stream, and hope y'all have a good day tomorrow if I'm not here. But yeah, I love every single one of y'all, and peace out.